Hi everyone. So in the last class we have seen the Rutherford atomic model, which is more important compared to the other models. Okay. So I have told you that I'll explain you Bohr's and the Thomson model. In atomic structure, Rutherford model I have already explained, and now Bohr's model and Thomson model. So I explain you the concept in this, okay? Not very much all the content, but only the concept. So in Bohr's model, like what did he conclude or what did he explain is in the atom, all the electrons will revolve round the nucleus as the planets revolve around the sun. He considered nucleus as sun and the electrons as planets, which revolve around the sun, which revolve around the nucleus here, around the circular orbit. Whereas our Earth revolves around the sun in circular orbit. In the same way, he explained that electrons will revolve round the nucleus in the circular orbit. This is what Bohr explained. So in this, to some extent it is correct, because all the protons are accumulated inside the nucleus. That means nucleus is in this much position in the atom, okay, to this content. According to this one, it is correct. But electrons revolving in a circular orbit and all, this is explained by Bohr model. Then what did Thomson explain? This is Bohr model considering nucleus as sun and electrons as planets. Okay, just remember this. And next, coming to the Thomson model. Thomson's atomic model. So what did he explain is, in the atom, protons and electrons equally present and circulating inside the atom. This is not at all acceptable, because we know nucleus is present. He couldn't explain anything about the nucleus. He just told us that inside the atom there are protons, there are electrons which are moving inside the atom. So this is not acceptable. He gave this theory in 1904. It is disapproved in 1909. So this is not at all considered. But just you have to know like what Thomson explained. This is the difference between the Bohr model and the Thomson model. So we see the difference. Bohr's atomic model, Thomson atomic model. Okay. Atom. Nucleus representing sun according to him. Electrons representing planets in the circular orbit. Inside this were all protons. According to Thomson model, both protons and electrons inside the atom. So this is the difference between these two models. If you want anything in depth, anything in detail, including the limitations, advantages, you can just contact me so that I'll take the online classes and explain you in depth. Okay, I'm ending up this class. Thank you.